Alright, what's up guys? It's Ryder here from Made to Fish. I just got about a nice 2-pounder, maybe 2.5, pretty fat, post-spawn, pre-spawn fish. Caught it on a Big Bite Baits trick stick, watermelon red flake. These bass are just sitting up on these shores and feeding up on bait, trying to get fat for spawn, and throwing that on a Omen black rod with a Quantum Tour Edition PT. It's the fish, and I'm gonna get the release right here for you guys. There's nowhere good to let him go, so I'm just gonna and there he goes. I'll get back to you guys.